Welcome to the Grouped Tracker. This tool is designed for tracking and analyzing any kind of point-based system your chapter utilizes, such as house points or community service. This video will show you how to create, modify, and organize events. Let's start by creating a new event. To do so, click on the New Event button. Before you can make an event, you will have to create a new category to put that event in. Define the category your first event falls into. We'll call this one Chapter Meetings. Select the default attendees and point values that will appear when you create a new event in that category in the future. You have the option to set a start and end date for that category, such as the fall semester. After that date, you will not be allowed to add new events to the category. However, it is always possible to go in and change the end date at a later time. When creating the category, you can decide if you want members of the group to be able to add their own events to that category, or if you want it to be private and only editable by an administrator. If you do make the category public, then anytime a member creates an event in that category, the creator of that event will have to give approval. Put the email address of the administrator in the notification section to send an email out every time an approval is required. Now we are ready to make our first event. Name the event, such as Chapter Meeting 1. Below, you will see the section to set the default point value and the date of the event, past or future. On the right-hand side of the screen, you will see all the members in your cloud. You can go in, modify the members involved, and the amount of points being given to each member individually. To finish, click the Create button below. We designed an area of the application called Collections for organizing your categories into groups such as house points or community service. Click on the Collections button and go to Modify Collections. You can add, delete, and edit any collection. Click back and then go into the Manage Category Collections. Here you can add, switch, or remove a category from any collection. Let's add the Chapter Meetings category to the new House Points collection. Back on the home screen, you will see the events pop up in your recently added events section. Now let's jump to a populated points app so you can see how it all should work. Here's a fully populated points app. On the home screen, you will see the totals of each of your collections. The top bar allows you to navigate through each of your categories. By selecting a category, you can see all of the events and totals for that category. A comprehensive view of all the points is visible in the Stats tab. Here, you can see all stats and percentages, or you can choose to sort them by category or collection. You can also download a CSV file that will import into any spreadsheet easily. There are features in the Points app that are restricted. For example, editing an event is only possible if you are an administrator or creator of that event. Editing categories is limited solely to administrators. Administrators are the only ones who can archive. Once a category with an end date on it has finished, you will see a red exclamation point on top of it. In the Edit menu, you will see it is locked. And there's an option to archive the categories, removing the clutter from your dashboard. This archives all the events that are in that category. You can still access all the data by clicking on the Archive tab at the top of the screen. The last administrator tool is the Log. This allows you to see all of the recent changes that member has made. Now that you understand how to best use the Points application, you're ready to start tracking your house points. If you have any more questions, check out the help page, where you can find answers to frequently asked questions. Enjoy!